So one other thing you can be asked is to calculate percentage profit and percentage loss. So telling profit and loss in terms of percentage will enable us to have an idea of how big your loss is or how small your loss is. Okay, so what is percentage profit? Percentage profit is very easy to calculate. All we have to know, you have to calculate the profit already, just like we already know. You know how to calculate profit over the cost price. So divide your profit by your cost price and multiply what you get by 100. That will give you percentage profit. Okay, if you don't make a profit but you made a loss, then percentage loss is that loss that you made. So calculate the loss using the formula to calculate loss. Divide it by your cost price to cost price, and then multiply what you get by 100. This will give you your percentage loss. Okay, very simple. You can see that profit over cost price times 100, loss over cost price times 100. Okay, so what we are going to do right now is let's try to recalculate some of the examples we did, and then in terms of percentage profit or percentage loss. So let's take the first example. We said Kenneth bought a bicycle for 25,000 and sold it for 30,000. Kenneth bought a bicycle for 25,000 and sold it for 30,000. Find his percentage profit. So to calculate the percentage profit, what we have to do is calculate the profit from the equation. We bought at 30,000. We bought at 25,000. That's cost price 25,000 naira. And then we sold selling price at 30,000. Okay. So the profit is selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 30,000. Cost price is 25,000. So when we subtract this, we're going to have a profit of 5,000. We made a profit of 5,000. That's a profit. Okay, so now we convert this amount to percentage profit. So we said percentage profit is profit over cost price times 100. So our percentage profit will be, how much did we make in profit? We made a profit of 5,000. So our profit is 5,000 divided by how much we bought. Remember that we bought for 25,000. Multiply by 100. So 0 can divide out 0. 0 can divide out 0. 0 here can divide out this 0. Okay. So we are left with 500 all over 25. Okay. You can see here that 25 can divide itself. 1 can divide 50 because 25 times 2 is 50. So have 2, and if 25 divides 0 here, we'll have 0. So have 20 as our answer, which means our percentage profit is 20%. Okay, so if we bought for 25,000 and sold for 30,000, then 5,000 profit in terms of percentage is 20%. That's what that means. 20%. We made a 20% profit. Okay, let's take this example. An article was bought for 9,000 and sold for 8,280. An article was bought for 9,000 and sold for 8,280. Okay. Calculate percentage loss. So to calculate percentage loss, To calculate percentage loss, we know that percentage loss is the loss itself all over the cost price times 100. Okay, so let's see the loss. The loss is cost price minus selling price. You already know this formula. The cost price is 9,000. The selling price is 8,280. I know we've done this part before where we got 720 when we do that subtraction. So our loss alone is 720, but then we're looking for percentage loss. Percentage loss will be the loss over the cost price times 100. Okay, our loss is 720 over the cost price is 9,000, and then multiply it by 100. Okay, in this case, let's try to see 0 can divide out 0, 0 can divide out 0. This 0 here can divide out this 0. Okay, so we're left with 72 divided by 9. Okay, we know that 9 times 9 is 81, so 9 times 8 is 72. So 72 divided by 9 will give us 8. So percentage loss is 8%. So our percentage loss for that question is 8%.